Hey, so if your Webflow forms aren't sending emails or you just want to set them up properly, this video will walk you through everything step by step. It's actually way easier than it looks, so let's fix it. First, log in to your Webflow account and open the project where your form is located. If you don't have a form yet, just drag one from the Add panel. Or, if you already have one, go ahead and select it. Next, customize your fields, like name, email, message, whatever you need. Make sure the email field is set correctly so Webflow can recognize it. Now, give your form a name. This helps you track submissions later. So, don't skip this part. All right, this is the important part. Go to your project settings, then open the Forms tab. Here you can add the email where you want to receive submissions. You can also customize what users see after submitting the form, like a success message or an error message. Just edit those blocks inside the form. Once everything looks good, hit publish. Your form won't work properly until your site is live. So make sure you do this. Finally, test it. Fill out the form yourself and check your email to see if the submission comes through. And that's it. Your Webflow form is now fully set up with email notifications. Super simple once you know where to look. Keep testing and tweaking, and you're good to go.